Let's go! Alright, it's currently 6 AM here in Dingboche. It's 6 degrees in my room at the moment, and it was a bit colder last night. I'll give you a quick tour of the lodge, and hopefully you can see what it looks like outside. This is the Snowline Lodge. I need to just ensure my blood oxygen levels okay. If not, I might be in AMS. So, if all is well, as long as my blood oxygen is above 70%, it's usually around 98 at sea level, I should be fit to move.
Yeah, now
83, bro.
Now you got good.
I'm good.
Oxygen levels.
Yeah, it's come up.
Yep.
It was like 73 yesterday, it's gone up by 10. I think that Dimox has given me that boost, man. So, here's my current sleeping situation. As it was -4 last night, I've had to use not 1, not 2, but 3 covers. I've got my sleeping bag, these extremely thick duvets here, and then a second one. And to top it up, I've used my Nalgene bottle filled with boiling water as a hot water bottle to keep me warm during the -4. Let's go! Oh. He's going further up, bro. Where? Here? Is this him?
Yeah.
What's he doing over there, idiot? It's this way.
This is a way.
Oh yeah, you're right. He's right. Yeah. He's gone. What's he doing? Yeah. Jeez. We have one life, brother. You live it. Oh, yes, brother. Let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, man. I'm gonna put on the spikes. I've got some spikes in my bag, I'm gonna put them on. Namaste, brother. Alright, crampons on. Let's go. The great thing about these spikes is even in the sleet and the mud where it gets slippery, it prevents me from slipping, gives me grip, even when the mud is completely waterlogged. Namaste, brother. So I got the micro spikes on. They seem to be doing the job. Just a helicopter flying around in the background there. Seems to be giving me loads of grip along this half-meter deep snow, so I'm really pleased. It's come around, give me that solid traction.
Oh man! You're a Superman!
How's it going, buddy? You alright? Where you off to, man?
All good, bro.
Where you off to, man?
Oh yeah, I'm going to Dingboche. We submitted EBC yesterday.
Summited? Summit?
EBC, completed EBC.
Oh yeah. I heard there was a lot of snow 3 days ago. Loads of snow in EBC.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of snow.
Yeah.
But it's interesting.
Yeah. Here we have boiling water from just the sun. Alright, so we've made it to Dokla Pass. Not sure if you can see the summits in the background. Halfway there to Gorak Shep. Hopefully when we get to Gorak Shep, I'll give you an update on the vlog. State of that, horrendous. Alright, so quick update. We've decided to do a 2-day journey in a day. Instead of going to Dingboche, we've gone past Dingboche straight to Gorak Shep, which is the last mountain village you're gonna get before Everest Base Camp. If you can see it in the background there, just above. Yeah. Finally made it, and so hopefully tomorrow EBC.